From May 8, 2018, I started vlogging, and from that day, I started uploading videos. When I started vlogging, I didn't know whether people will like my work or not. But yes, you like my work, and I'm glad for that. I'm not good in speaking. I'm not good in front of camera. I didn't know how to shoot. I didn't know how to edit. There are many things which I can't do, but yes, I would like to say that believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, everything is possible. Do what you can. Face your fear. You will enjoy life better. I'm doing here the thing which I can. That's why I started vlogging. I learned little bit of editing, speaking, and still I am so curious to learn new things. So that the main reason to start my YouTube channel. To reach your greatest potential, you will have to fight your greatest fear. Making mistake, learning through the mistake again and again. By the grace of God, with your all support and love, on May 7, 2020, finally I reached 10,000 subscribers, which is not easy task for me. All thanks to you people. Thank you for supporting me and keep supporting always. Thanks YouTube for giving us a platform where we can learn, where we can make friends, help each other, share our knowledge, and learn many more things. Thank you so much YouTube. Because of you, I meet many people. I want to thank each and everyone for you, for being with me. In this journey, and I hope you will be with me forever. Thanks for your likes, share, your positive comment. It motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for your love. Keep supporting like me this. We will learn together. We will grow together. Life is a beautiful journey and the journey never ends. Start each day with a new hope. Leave bad memories behind and have faith for a better tomorrow. I want you to keep walk with me in this journey. Let's support each other and motivate each other. Let's keep our humanity alive with our good deeds. No religion can be greater than humanity. So once again, thank you for supporting and loving my work. It's me, GENU Blogs, the Kirby blogger, and never give up in your life.